Sanibonani emakhaya, igama ngumzondile kaMangweni, ubukele i-Dope Hot and Fresh here today. Ngizonixoxela ke kancane nje ngokuthi ngubani, ngwakabani nanokuthi ngenzani.
Dope Hot and Fresh all day every day is too much.
Bese ngishilo igama ngumzondile kaMangweni. So I'm a radio presenter and a technical producer at VOCFM. I'm also a founder of 3M Arts Academy. As uzwa ke ukuthi Arts Academy, so we are an academy esebenza ne-youth basically in terms of unleashing our potentials ikakhulukazi kwi-art sector. I'm also a volunteer at Hope Foundations as a youth mentor. I've been doing radio since June 2019, so I'm quite a newbie there. I'm also a father to one beautiful daughter. Her name is Hope. I've worked with a number of artists in the sector, specifically in Mpumalanga, including Abu Raf, Yvonne Ralendao, Spice, RSA, to name but few. Senza izinto ezahlukene. But basically, what I normally do are my events, festivals, as well as my pageants. Currently, Sirana in Miss Khartsibande exclusive, and also a Khartsibande Arts Festival that we're still busy planning. Planning unyaka 2021. So iloko nokunye nje okukhona esikwenzayo. I'm an aspiring author. My book is coming out 2021 around March, April, where where I will be launching it. It's titled Not Yet Done.
Ngenza kwethu inakhayilale mina nani sidibana ngomsombuluko kulo uhlelo lumnandi silubiza ngesemnandi afternoon drive kusukela ngo3 o'clock kuze kushaya 6 ntambama ngale kwalokho i-top 30 izobuya next week Saturday.
Okay, as I indicated, I'm a technical producer and a presenter. I'll just take you through the part of being a technical producer and what we do. As a technical producer, I make sure that the sound goes out well from the studio to you as a listener at home, and also we make sure that we compile music. And just for you to know, as an artist that you're doing music, for you to have your music being played, there are things that we look at. For an example, we look at the quality, we look at the sound, and then we look at how you articulate, because most of the people, they send us songs that are not radio friendly, and when you listen to them, they are not well mastered. And one advice that I would give you, please, after recording your song, give it to someone else to master it for you, because a lot of artists want to record, produce, and master their songs, and the sound ingabe isaba ngendlela efanele. So if you want your songs to be there, please make sure it's well mastered and it's registered, so that SAMRO will be able to give you your royalties and you'll be able to benefit from your work as an artist. Because if it's not registered, then you're not going to be getting any royalties. Then we look at how the song sounds. You understand? We have monitors that we use to listen to your music as compilers and technical team, so that we hear out ukuthi sound yakho injani, does it go with the standards ze radio. Then we have what we call a system, what we call a hard limiter. It tells us ukuthi your song, is it level yayo, like the lendlela equalize ngayo ikufanele na ukuthi ingahamba iye ku system and be played. Then we're going to look at what I'm doing right now. I participate with Arts Administration program, where we gain knowledge of lezinto lezi engizenzayo as an artist and as a practitioner. So I will encourage a lot of you enfuna ukuthi ni excel entweni enzenzayo to be part of such projects. When an opportunity arises as an artist, ungabi nalento ukuthi when you know your story. There's always a new thing to learn. And for you to learn, you have to unlearn what you've learned before so that you'll get something new. It's always important that you know what you want as an artist. Never be influenced otherwise. As I'm here, I told other artists about the opportunity. They didn't want to grab it because they felt like some of the things by others. Well, some of the things I knew, but I had to unlearn them so that ngizokhona ukuthola information enhle entsha, because I work with a different number of people, and when we engage, then we realize that I was going about this the wrong way, or I wasn't doing it the right way. So with an idea, you can always grow. So please, when opportunities come, don't tell yourself good you know too well, because you will never know too well. We never stop learning. Lastly, I would like to talk about the book that is coming. It's titled Not Yet Done. In 2018, I suffered from depression. I planned my own death. I had it all, and I couldn't commit suicide because I wasn't yet done, and God is not yet done. So there are 13 chapters, of which I'm now on the 13th chapter of the book. All the other 12 chapters are ready. It's just that I want to conclude it. I'm not sure whether to close the book as it is or prolong it, say this is not yet done part 1, then we're coming to part 2, but I'm still yet to decide. But what I can tell you is that around March, April next year, the book is coming. Look out for it. It will be available on all bookstores, and also I will make sure that I have copies for those who can't reach bookstores, so that I distribute the book to everyone. It talks about handling depression. It talks about the way you feel when you're depressed. It talks about things that you think about when you are depressed, because most of the time when people commit suicide, we think they are weak. But when people commit suicide, it's actually them trying to end the pain. It's not about dying. We have this belief of there is peace after death. So when they commit suicide, it's that mentality to say, I'm tired of this pain, so I want to end the pain. I want to be at peace, because where I am right now, I'm unable to breathe. It's a dark, hot hole. So I urge you all to look out for the book, and I'll give the dates as to when and where is it launching and how you get hold of it. My name is Mzwandile Kamangweni, and on Facebook I'm Mzwandile Kamangweni, and my Facebook page is Mzwa Entertains. Then that's where we can take it even further. And lastly, I would like to thank Dope Hot and Fresh for the opportunity abanginikeza yona. Please continue looking out for content yabo on YouTube. Follow their Facebook page, Dope Hot and Fresh, uzokwazi ukuthi ube entertained and informed. I was here. I am Mzwandile Kamangweni. Please continue listening to VOC FM, 2 hearts that beat as one. I am young, dope, hot and fresh.
Dope, hot and fresh all day, every day is too much.